All right, solving quadratic inequations, there's kind of two ways to do this, and I'm just going to teach you the graphing way first. So it's easiest to graph it. So for A, we've got x squared is greater than 9, so I'm going to take that 9 over by subtracting. So we've got x squared take 9 is greater than 0. So we're looking for all the points where x squared take 9 is going to be greater than 0. So I'm going to factorise. Remember, a squared take b squared equals a take b, a plus b. So we've got x take 3, x plus 3 is greater than 0. Let's graph this. So if this is minus 3 and this is plus 3, it's just kind of going to go like that. We're looking for all the points where this graph is greater than 0. So it's greater than 0 over here and over here, yeah? So x squared is greater than 9 when x is less than minus 3 and x is greater than positive 3. So over here, all the x values up here are going to be greater than positive 3. All the x values here are less than minus 3. And this makes sense because if I had like 2 squared, that's 4. That's not greater than 9. But if I had like negative 7 squared, that's 49. That's definitely greater than 9. This one's slightly different. We're going to get everything over to the right because I'd like to have a positive x squared. So I'm going to subtract x and subtract 6 from both sides. And I'm going to get 0 is greater than or equal to x squared take x take 6. I'm just going to rewrite this with all the x's on the left. So x squared take x take 6, pointy end is towards that, is less than or equal to 0. I'd like to sketch this, so I'm going to factorise. So what times is to get minus 6? That, and also adds to get negative 1. Minus 3 and positive 2. Okay, so when we sketch this, we're going to have positive 3, we're going to have negative 2, and it's going to go 2. And it's going to go like that. I don't actually care where it turns, I just care where this thing is less than 0, and it's less than 0 down here. So less than 0 means the whole lot's less than 0. So it means that we're between minus 2 and positive 3. And we have to be greater than minus 2, so we're just on the right of minus 2 and we're on the left of 3. So x plus 6 is greater than or equal to x squared when we're here. Which makes sense because if I've got like 1 plus 6 is greater than or equal to 1 squared, isn't it? But if I had like negative 4 plus 6 gives me 2, and that's not greater than negative 4 all squared because that's positive 16. So that's solving quadratics.